Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a pick a card reading today. So, in today's reading, the topic is going to be what messages do your ancestors or spirit guides want to give you right now. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number 1 or the black pen. You can choose from number 2 or the keys, the Halloween keychain, or you can choose from number 3, the blue pen. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin the reading now. So for those who have chosen the black pen, let me see what message is coming. Okay, so I am just feeling from your ancestors or your spirit guides that you need to sit with your feelings, you need to meditate, you do not need to run away. Like I feel that you have been avoiding to acknowledge certain truths, and the universe is just telling you that it's time to sit with your feelings. Water could be significant, maybe you're a water sign or you really enjoy being around water. I think you can even take a bowl of water and write a letter or write about things that hurt you and put it in a bowl of water and release the heavy feelings. I also feel that the moon plays a very big role in your emotions, like pay attention to your body, your moon cycles. Working out will really help you right now to release this excess energy. I feel that taking a walk in nature or doing yoga, doing a intense workout is going to be really beneficial for you right now. But the last message that I am sensing is that you are very protected. Like even if you might not feel so, there is a lot of protection around you. There's a lot of healing that is coming your way very soon. So I'll be moving on to number 2 now, or the Halloween keychain. So I just feel for people who have chosen this number that you need to cool your emotions. Like I feel that maybe you have been feeling very triggered or very angry, very targeted, and the universe or your spirit guides are just telling you that your feelings are valid. Like whatever you are feeling is valid. But I also feel that this anger or this pain, holding on to it is only going to hurt you. Like you need to find a way to let it go, move on. Maybe this is something of the past, maybe something has happened in the present, but you need to remember that you need to love yourself. Like even if nobody else currently makes sense right now, nothing else makes sense, you need to remind yourself that you deserve love, you deserve a lot of positivity, you deserve whatever you set your mind to. Something big in your career is going to shift very soon, so be ready for that blessing. And your ancestors are always protecting you. Like I feel work with the energy of fire, cleanse your environment a bit, cleanse yourself, maybe light a candle and just enjoy that energy, like that energy of fire. So I'll be moving on to number 3 right now. Okay, so let me just see what's coming. So for those who have chosen the number 3, I feel that you are at the end of something in life. Like I feel that new beginnings are coming soon. A lot of healing is coming, a lot of positivity, new projects, new business ideas, new ventures. I'm just getting this motivation that go for it. Like whatever you have your mind set on, go for it. Remove self doubt. I think that's your biggest blockage. Root chakra healing is really needed. Past blockages need to be released. You need to find a new way to interact with yourself, with the world around you. Like I feel that there's a lot of new energy. New moon always represents new beginnings. The mountains are somewhere reminding me that stay grounded. Like you need to find your grounding in this new space with new people or with new ideas. Stay grounded, be close to the energy of earth. Praying to Lord Ganesha will really help you right now.